Hi friends, this is VBhosaleSpectrum. If you want to speak English fluently and confidently, you are in the right place. In today's video is going to be super exciting because I am not practicing alone. I have special guest with me, my brother. We had a wonderful conversation and honestly he did very well and he is really very good at English. You are going to enjoy listening how confidently he speaks. This video isn't just lesson, it's a real conversation. So you can learn, listen, and practice along with us. So let's get started.
Hi, how are you, Manish?
Yeah, fine, sir. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing great. Thank you so much for asking. How was your day?
The day was full of excitement, full of energy for completing my goals, my targets. That's it.
Okay, that's great. Could you introduce yourself?
Yeah, why not? Myself, Ganesh Bhosle, and I am from Vadipasa village, Latur district, in Nilanda Taluka. And recently, I have completed my 12th standard in science through science stream, and now I am pursuing BSc first year in computer science. This about my introduction.
Okay, that's a lovely introduction. Let me introduce myself as well for the sake of video. As you know,
Yes,
my name is Vivek and I born and raised in Latur, Maharashtra. Currently, I am staying in Pune due to job. I have completed my graduation in BE Mechanical and I entered in IT field without no passion, curiosity. This was not easy, but with consistent practice and consistent effort, I made it here. And in my free time, I like to read books. That's all about myself. Okay. Okay, Ganesh, how old are you?
sir, now I am 17 years old, and in upcoming on 14th of September, I will be 18 years old.
Okay, nice. Keep growing. Tell me,
Yeah,
what are your hobbies or things you enjoy doing in your free time?
yes, sir. While talking about my hobbies, I like to read books. I like to get knowledge. I like to acquire my knowledge. And also, whenever I feel stressful, anxiety, full of anxiety, then I play games, mental games which reduce my stress and also anxiety. It's about my habits, sir.
Okay, sounds great and relaxing. If you think about my hobby, as you know right now, I recently said my hobbies are reading books and listening to music. That are my hobbies. Okay. What are your short-term goals right now?
Sir, I want to be eloquent guy. I want to be fluent in English. I want to improve my communication skills in English and other language. I want to also learn other language, which will help me proud. That's it. These are my short goals, sir.
Okay, that's a smart goal and good luck. Keep going. Okay, you can
Yes,
achieve
sir.
your short-term goal as well in upcoming days. Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
Why are you learning English?
Sir, now already you know that it's in this planet on earth, everything depends upon English. If you don't know English, you can't do anything in this life. First, if you want to do anything in your life, achieve anything, get anything, first you should learn English. Without learning English, you will not get anything. That's why it's essential for me, and also it's my passion to learn English, to get fluent in English. That's it, sir.
That's same here. English helps in so many ways. Without
Yeah,
English, nobody can pursue their career in any kind of field. So English is very important or very essential now now these days, right?
yeah, sir.
Yeah. What are your strongest qualities or hobbies?
Sir, while talking about my strongest qualities, that's very interesting. Already you know that how does our mind work. Whenever, if suppose I am studying, if my mind told me, if it's sending me message, suppose there is one thing or something that's very essential, that's insignificant, that's important for me. But my mind is telling me not to do that. And actually, I am a person, I am a guy who fights against mind. If it will be telling me not to do, then I immediately force it to do. And if there will be thoughts, any things, any work or any kind of such things. If that's not good, and if it will be telling me to do, if it will be forcing me to do, then I tell it, I force it not to do. It's my strongest uh, mindset, sir.
Okay, that's a really valuable habit, you know, and you are going in a right way, right?
Yeah,
And you
yeah,
too,
sir.
and even I am also disciplined, hardworking, and consistent in my learning. If you this kind of habit you have, then definitely you can reach on that level, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Which languages can you speak fluently?
Now I am able to uh, talk in Marathi, Hindi, English, not proper, means not fluent in English, but I am trying to get fluency in English and also Kannada. This language, I am perfect in this language, except English. I am now trying to be fluent in English.
Okay, that's impressive. Being multilingual is a strength. So you can
Yes,
go
sir.
anywhere like Hyderabad, Bengaluru, then you can speak easily those languages like
Yeah,
Kannada, Telugu. Means you can survive anywhere. The main thing
yeah,
is
sir.
our English language. If you want to go abroad cities, then English is very mandatory.
Yeah, sir.
And you have you can speak 4 to 5 languages, and that is very impressive, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
What is something unique or different about you?
Different about me while talking about different. Sir, whenever I feel emotional, whenever I feel sad, then means I change the direction. I change my perspective. The seeing the world, seeing the thoughts, seeing the things, what's going on. Means I change everything. If I feel something is going to be, means something is imminent to, means something is about to happen, then I don't go through that. I change my direction. I change my perspective. Because of that, means we will not get sadness. We will not get stressful. That's great. That's I think.
Wow, that's really special actually, you know.
Yeah,
That is good, unique about you.
yeah.
How do your friends or family describe you?
Actually, while talking about this, I am getting funny because whenever we go somewhere for travel or anywhere, they call me I am a frugal type of man. Means I spend less but save more. Means they call me you are a frugal type of man. Means you don't spend money more. I am not extravagant man. Means I save the money. I value of money like this. And also whenever my friends get help, then then I help them. Means they describe me I am a helpful man like this.
Yeah, that's great. It means you are responsible and caring and supportive person.
Yes, yeah,
Those
yeah.
are some lovely compliments, right? That's great.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Have you ever traveled to another city or place? Where and why?
Yes, absolutely. I have traveled not more, but less places I have traveled. I have visited. Like already you know that Akulkot Swami Samar, that's the God place where lots of people visit. And because I am a kind of spiritual guy, that's why I means I had to go there, had to darshan of Swami Samarth God. That's why I traveled there and visited that place for getting for feeling happy, for being satisfied. That's why I traveled
Wow, sounds like a great experience you have.
there. That's it.
Or do you like to travel solo or group travel and why?
Yeah, sir. I like group travel. Already you know that while traveling with friends, if I talk with respect to friends, then you know that what kind of friends are there. They make me funny. They are comedian. Means they feel me funny. Joke. They make so much jokes while traveling, and that's I like. Means I get satisfied in that group while traveling. And if I talk with respect to family, there are so many relatives like brothers, sisters, cousins. Every our relatives are there. Means while traveling with family, we get satisfied, feeling happy, means full of excitement. We can enjoy the place. Everything we get satisfied and also great. That's great while traveling with group. And instead solo travel, I like to group travel.
Yeah, nice. You know, both ways have their different charm. If you
yeah,
travel
yeah,
solo trip, then you will get to know about yourself, how flexible you are.
yeah.
And if you
Yeah, sir,
travel,
also that's true.
yeah, if you are traveling with friends or family, then there will be lots of fun, lots of enjoy with your
Hmm.
members, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir, that's why.
Nice, nice. What is your dream travel destination?
Sir, actually, means I want to. I am from Maharashtra. That's why I want to visit all the forts of Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. They are our passion. They are our ideas. They are our inspiration. That's why I want to visit all the forts of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. And especially, I want to visit or I want to travel Raigad Killa, which is called a heaven in this world, in this Maharashtra state. That's why.
Wow, I would love to go there too, you know.
Yeah,
And
sir.
our Maharashtra history is very great, where so many people fought for, for our country, and that is the
Yeah,
great.
sir.
You will be, you have, you know, good dream destination where you can,
Yeah,
you will get to know about history, like Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. There are so many things are in Maharashtra, and that is good. And even I also love to go there too. Okay, that's great.
yeah, sir.
What are your favorite food you have tried while traveling?
Actually, while traveling, I didn't have anything. I didn't took means I didn't have any type of foods. Because I am from Maharashtra and I am from uh, means a village. That's why we don't take anything or don't have anything from outside. While going travel, we make some foods in home like chapati, chutney, roti. This makes me very feel and satisfied to have there in travel. That's why we don't have anything outside. We have everything in travel through our home, through our house, which is made by our mom, our sisters. I like that.
Oh, that's great. It's a mouth watering. That sounds amazing actually.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you prepare beaches or mountain? Why?
Actually, sir, still uh, I didn't visit any mountains, any beaches, because I didn't means I just I am living in village. That's why I didn't go anywhere except my village, my taluka, my jilla. That's why.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
But
Ganesh.
actually,
Mhm.
if I talk about mountains, means I am type of acrophile man. I like means I am person or guy who likes height. I don't care to height. Means if I tell you means my future destiny is like beaches or mountains. I would like to visit mountains because means I like to go heights. I don't feel fear if I go heights.
Yeah, that's a good choice. You know, if you go mountain, there will be the nature and the beauty, the scenery that would be so great. It
That's
feels
yeah,
like you have come in a heaven.
that's it.
Very cool. Okay, Ganesh, do you have any questions?
Yes, sir. Actually, you are pursuing very good, and you are now pursuing a software developer. You are working as software developer, and you have a lot of experience. You have a lot of life lessons. And I would like to know the piece of advice in this way, means a mistake which I should do, means which I should not do. What piece of advice would you like to give me in this way?
Yeah, okay, that's a good question.
Yeah,
See, now you are a 18-year-old and you are preparing for India, okay.
yeah,
So
yeah,
there are some advices are there. I would like to give you. First thing is discipline. It's like discipline is your friend. So what you have to do? First of all, you have to make a daily routine and stick to it.
yeah,
Wake up early and exercise and study with your focus. This is the one. And second thing is balance your mind and body, right? Both,
sir, yeah, sir,
yeah, train both physical fitness and mental strength as well.
yeah,
These things will help you in upcoming exam as well, right? And
yeah, sir,
third advice is failure are the steps, not steps backs. Whatever failure comes in your way, accept it and work on that failure.
yeah,
Okay. And third one is
yeah,
choose friends and environment wisely. If you have proper friends, then they will help you to achieve, your goal. If you have
Yeah.
bad friends, then you can also work like your friends. So stay with people with who have a good knowledge, who has a good manners. Those people will motivate you, inspire you, right? And last one
Yes.
is build your character, not just career, right?
Yes, sir.
Be honest and disciplined, respectful and helpful. Never lose your humility, even when you succeed. These are
Yes,
the
sir.
advice I have that I say, right?
Yes. Now I'm very excited to listen your advices and implement it in my life, in my study life.
Yeah,
Thanks
just
for this
yeah,
type of
just
advices.
implement these advices. Definitely, you will get success one day.
Yeah.
Be consistent while studying, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. Now this time to wind up our conversation.
Yes,
And
sir.
thank you so much, Ganesh, for joining us and sharing your answers.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
And see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
This was a fun and such interesting conversation. Big thank to my brother for joining today. And he spoke confidently and naturally. And I am so proud of how good he is at English. Friends, remember the best way to learn English is real conversation like this. Now it's your turn. Try to speak along with us. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe for more practical real life English conversation coming on your way. And keep watching, keep improving, and see you in the next video. Bye.